Hey, if you want to pair your JBL Tune 560 or 570 Bluetooth headphones with the two devices at the same time, you can simply do this. But first, you have to be connected with your main device. So in my case, I'm connected with my Android phone. If you don't know how to do this, I have a tutorial on my channel, so you can check it. Next, when you are connected, when your headphones are turned on, you have to grab them like this and locate the power button and this play and pause button. Now you have to click and hold on the both buttons and wait until this indicator starts blinking. Now release the buttons, and on your second device you have to go into the Bluetooth settings, turn on the Bluetooth, and from other devices list or available devices list you have to select your JBL Tune 560 or 570. And now, as you can see, after a few seconds we are successfully connected, and then you can also select them by tapping on this icon right here. And there we are, connected with the two devices at the same time. Right now, please subscribe to my channel, and that's all. Bye bye.